Hemichordata is considered as the connecting link between non-chordata and chordata. So connecting link is nothing but if any organism exhibit the features of both the groups, we say it as a connecting link. So these hemichordates exhibit some features of non-chordates. They also exhibit some features of chordates. ओके, सो हेमिकॉर्डेट जो है कुछ नॉन कॉर्डेट के भी फीचर को एग्जिबिट करते हैं और कुछ कॉर्डेट फीचर को भी वो एग्जिबिट करते हैं. तो बोथ कैरेक्टर्स को एग्जिबिट करने के वजह से हेमिकॉर्डेट्स को कंसिडर किया जाता है कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन नॉन कॉर्डेट्स एंड कॉर्डेट्स. सो हम जब एनिमल किंगडम टोटली क्लासिफिकेशन पढ़े थे तो उसमें एनिमल किंगडम को हम 3 फाइलम्स में ब्रॉडली वी कैन डिवाइड. एक है नॉन कॉर्डेट्स, hemichordates, chordates. Non-chordates are the lower animals. Non-chordates begins with porifera, ends with echinodermata. Now, after this echinodermata, after the investigation by different scientists, some organisms were identified which showed both the features, chordate features and non-chordate features. So, such organisms were included in hemichordata. Initially, ये जो हेमिकॉर्डेट्स हैं इन्हें हाफ कॉर्डेट्स इनिशियली दिस हेमिकॉर्डेट्स वेर इंक्लूडेड इन द नॉन कॉर्डेटा ओनली. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग में जब उतने ऑब्जर्वेशंस नहीं हुए तो इनको हेमिकॉर्डेट्स को भी कॉर्डेटा में ही इंक्लूड किया गया था. बट नाउ दे आर इंक्लूडेड इन नॉन कॉर्डेटा. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट 100% से दैट दीज आर नॉन कॉर्डेट्स. We cannot 100% say that these are chordates. So जब कुछ ऑर्गेनिज्म का डिस्कवरी हुआ था जिनमें कॉर्डेट फीचर्स भी थे, नॉन कॉर्डेट फीचर्स भी थे, तो कुछ साइंटिस्टों ने इन्हें पहले कॉर्डेट्स में डाल दिया. फिर बाद में इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के बाद मालूम हुआ कि भाई इसमें पूरे कॉर्डेट फीचर्स फुलफिल नहीं हो रहे हैं. तो फिर इसको अभी एट करंट सिचुएशन हम इन्हें नॉन कॉर्डेट्स ही समझ सकते हैं. ओके, इसमें भी कंट्रोवर्सी है. कुछ साइंटिस्ट का मानना ये भी है कि इन्हें चलो भाई हम हाफ कॉर्डेट्स बोलेंगे, हेमिकॉर्डेट्स बोलेंगे. हेमिकॉर्डेट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ, ना ही 100% कॉर्डेट ना ही 100% नॉन कॉर्डेट. सो इतना कंट्रोवर्शियल इशू था. सो फर्स्ट कुछ ऑर्गेनिजम्स को देखा गया था जिनमें कॉर्डेट फीचर्स भी थे, नॉन कॉर्डेट फीचर्स भी थे. सो कॉर्डेट और नॉन कॉर्डेट फीचर्स रहने के वजह से इन्हें कनेक्टिंग लिंक कहा गया बिटवीन कॉर्डेट्स एंड नॉन कॉर्डेट्स. ओके, सो इनिशियल साइंटिस्टों ने इसको कॉर्डेटा में डाल दिया था, फिर बाद में कुछ साइंटिस्टों ने इसे नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में डाल दिया. तो ये भी कंट्रोवर्सी है. तो कुछ साइंटिस्ट बोलते हैं कि चलो भाई ये कॉर्डेट नहीं है, नॉन कॉर्डेट नहीं है, 50-50 है, हेमिकॉर्डेट. सो नाउ टू बी प्रैक्टिकल, इफ द क्वेश्चन कम्स हेमिकॉर्डेट्स आर कॉर्डेट्स, नॉन कॉर्डेट्स, सो एट द इंस्टेंट वी कैन से दैट हेमिकॉर्डेट्स आर initially included in chordata, but at present they are included in non-chordata. Okay. Now let us see the general.
How they are included in non-chordata if they have a different phylum only?
Listen here, they do actually what this is only I am saying. No, so there is a controversy. What is the controversy? Some group of scientists are saying that no, these are hemichordates. Some group of scientists are saying that they must be included in chordata. Some group of scientists are saying that they must be included in non-chordata. Okay, so what will happen? Who will show the more practical evidences, his points will be taken into consideration. Okay, so could be living organisms we have studied in living world. ICZN will be there. So ICZN will take into the consideration the practical points which are there. Okay, so practically when it was investigated, it was found that hemichordates will show maximum non-chordate features. Okay, so as the hemichordates are showing more number of non-chordate features, they were studied in non-chordata. But when you see the arrangement in our textbook, it is not given along with the non-chordates, it is given separately. So we have completed echinodermata, then hemichordata, then chordata. Okay, so from the exam point of view, we have to consider it as what? Non-chordate. But originally what it is neither a chordate, neither a non-chordate. Clear? So that's the reason we are saying it has a connecting link between non-chordata and chordata. So hemichordates are simply the connecting links between non-chordata and chordata. I'll write the points. So we are saying this hemichordata as half chordates. Okay. So these hemichordates are also called connecting links between non-chordates and chordates. Okay. They are called as connecting links between non-chordates and chordates. They were earlier placed in chordate. So initially they were placed in what? Chordata. Okay, this is the thing. Now they are studied under non-chordate. Okay. So now again the spiking features when you see. So generally these hemichordates are worm-like creatures or worm-like animals, and they have organ system level of organization. So organ system level of organization they exhibit, and moreover these animals are triploblastic in nature. So they have the three germ layers: endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. So we are saying them as what? Triploblastic animals. Okay, bilaterally symmetrical animals, and they have the coelom. So we say them as what? Coelomate animals. So generally these hemichordates are of burrowing nature. So they will make burrows in the soil like the earthworm. So if you see the earthworms live under the soil by making the burrows. In the same way, these hemichordates generally they are burrowing form. So they prefer to live in soil by making burrows. So when you see their body, so their body is cylindrical in shape. So I will show you one diagram of this hemichordate. 1 minute. So this is one of the acarine worm. It is called Balanoglossus. Okay, so it is commonly called as acarine worm. So now the body is divisible into three regions. Upper region is known as proboscis. Below proboscis there is a collar region, and below the collar region there is a trunk. Now in the middle you can see one rod-like structure. You are able to see that rod-like structure in the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that rod-like structure, okay, resembles the notochord. So scientists, when they were observing this animal, they have seen this rod-like structure, and due to this rod-like structure, they thought that this rod-like structure is a notochord and included this animal in chordata. But this rod-like structure is not present all over the body. It is present only fixed to some region. Collar to trunk region तक ही ये rod-like structure है. उसके बाद ये rod-like structure नहीं है. Okay, understanding the point. So ये rod-like structure को scientists use to think that ये notochord है, और इसको कुछ साइंटिस्टों ने chordata में इंक्लूड कर दिए. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें एक रॉड जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है जो नोटोकॉर्ड को रिजेंबल करता है. ये रॉड जैसा स्ट्रक्चर जो नोटोकॉर्ड को रिजेंबल करता है, तो साइंटिस्टों ने माना कि ये कॉर्डेट ही हो सकता है और उसको कॉर्डेट में डाल दिए. फिर सम ग्रुप ऑफ साइंटिस्ट ने जब इन्वेस्टिगेट किया, फिर उन्हें पता चला कि ये रॉड जैसा स्ट्रक्चर जो है सिर्फ कुछ पोर्शन ऑफ बॉडी में ही है. ओके, सो दिस रॉड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर रिजेंबल्स द नोटोकॉर्ड, but this rod-like structure is not the notochord. It is looking like notochord, but it is actually not the notochord. Okay, and these animals hemichordate animals, they are triploblastic in nature, bilaterally symmetrical animals, and also they have organ system level of organization. And lastly, when we speak about their symmetry, they are bilaterally symmetrical and coelomate. They have the coelom. And the body of the hemichordates is divided into three regions: proboscis, collar, and trunk. And in some region of the body, there is one rod-like structure which is resembling the notochord. Okay, the rod-like structure is present. This rod-like structure is what? This rod-like structure is resembling the notochord. And this rod-like structure is known as stomochord. This rod-like structure is known as what? Stomochord. Stomochord resembles the notochord, but stomochord is different, notochord is different. Okay, these points are clear to you? Board, everything you are able to see clearly? Any adjustments? 1 minute बेटा, बोर्ड पहले एक बार चेक करो.
Sir, board is fine.
Fine only. Say now.
Sir, humans also have spinal cord in certain part of body only, no? They have in dorsal part and it is not all over the body. So they should also be in hemichordate, no?
No, we do not have the notochord. Instead of the notochord, we have vertebral column. Okay, so our rod-like structure notochord, it is modified to vertebral column.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
So, and animals in which notochord is modified to vertebral column, they are called vertebrates.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
So we are chordates, but we do not have notochord. What happened to our notochord? Notochord has modified.
It got modified into spinal cord, vertebrate.
It has got modified. So we are chordates only, but we do not have notochord. Instead, we have vertebral cord. So we are studied under vertebrate. In chordate also we have classification. फिर जब हम chordates को when we study, at the time we have again the classification vertebrates, invertebrates, like that. So at that time you will understand it very clear.
Yes,
so,
sir.
These are some of the features, and general features, they are bilaterally symmetrical animals, triploblastic animals, organ system level. I'm writing in short, bilateral symmetrical animals. Okay, triploblastic animals, they have 3 germal layers. Organ system level. Okay, coelomates. They are the coelomates. Okay, they are mainly burrowing forms. These are burrowing forms. Okay, found in burrows. Near seashore. Generally, seashore के आजू बाजू ही grow करते हैं. If you go to seashores, you can see these animals. They are not. They are clearly visible also. Okay. Now, when you take the division of the body, so the body is divided into 3 regions. Okay. What are the 3 regions? Proboscis. Okay, proboscis is one of the region, and below the proboscis, you have collar, and below the collar you have trunk region, which I have shown you now only in the diagram. So like this way, they have 3 body regions. And another important thing is that in the collar region, they have a rod-like structure which is called as stomochord. This stomochord is similar to that of notochord, or we can say that stomochord resembles the notochord. So this is the prominent feature. So stomochord is present only in hemichordates, but in other non-chordates we do not see the stomochord. Okay, so in the collar region of this hemichordates, there is a rod-like structure, or there is a cylindrical structure, which we say it as stomochord. The stomochord is very similar to notochord. The stomachod resembles notochord. Okay, so that is a prominent point about these animals, that in the collar region they have stomachod. In collar region, they have stomachod.
Sir, is proboscis acting like head?
We can consider it as a cephalic region. Okay, it is acting like head only, we can see.
Yes, sir.
So this stomachod is there. It is similar to notochord, or it resembles notochord. Okay. Now these are having gills for respiration. They use gills for respiration. We use lungs for respiration. They use gills for respiration. Okay. And they also have nerve cord in the dorsal region. Dorsal tubular nerve cord. So tube-like nerve cord will be there in their body, like this way. We do not have the nerve cord. Our nerve cord is modified into spinal cord. So you can see spinal cord in our body. That is nothing but nerve cord only. Modification of the nerve cord is what? Spinal cord. But these animals will have dorsal tubular nerve cord. So remember, ये dorsal tubular nerve cord जो है chordates में ही होता है. Okay? Dorsal tubular nerve cord जो है chordates में ही होता है. मतलब ये हेमिकॉर्डेट में डॉर्सल ट्यूबुलर नर्व कॉर्ड है, ये कॉर्डेट का लक्षण है. इज द फीचर ऑफ ए कॉर्डेट. ओके. गिल्स में भी प्रेजेंट इन कॉर्डेट्स एंड नॉन कॉर्डेट्स. सॉरी, गिल्स आर प्रेजेंट, may be present in chordates and non chordates, but in chordates gills will have small pores which are known as gill slits. अगर गिल्स विथ गिल स्लिट्स अगर है तो वो कॉर्डेट का फीचर है. सिंपली गिल्स है तो इट इज नॉट द कॉर्डेट फीचर. So chordates will have the gills perforated with slits. Okay, तो chordates के gills में pores रहेंगे जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं gill slits. तो gill slits रहना chordate का फीचर है. नर्व कॉर्ड रहना डॉर्सल साइड में chordate का फीचर है. नोटोकॉर्ड रहना तो एकदम chordate का ही फीचर है. ओके, तो ये एक कॉर्डेट फीचर है इनमें कि इनमें डॉर्सल ट्यूबुलर नर्व कॉर्ड होता है. इनका ब्लड वास्कुलर सिस्टम ओपन है, ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ये फिर कौन सा फीचर है? ये पूरा प्रिमिटिव फीचर है. ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज प्रिमिटिव फीचर.
ऑर्थोपोडा का फीचर.
आर्थ्रोपोडा का. ओके. ब्लड इज कलरलेस. इनका ब्लड कलरलेस है, ये भी प्रिमिटिव फीचर है. राइट. नाउ इन प्रोबोसिस ग्लैंड जो है, प्रोबोसिस रीजन में एक स्मॉल ग्लैंड होता है जिसको कहा जाता है प्रोबोसिस ग्लैंड. ये जो है इनका एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन है, ये भी प्रिमिटिव फीचर है. किडनीज है तो मॉडर्न फीचर. किडनीज को छोड़ के दूसरे फ्लेम सेल्स, कोक्सल ग्लैंड, ये सब जो है प्रिमिटिव फीचर्स है. These are unisexual. It means sexes are separate. Fertilization external. External fertilization is also a primitive feature. Okay. Unisexual. External fertilization. ये भी एक primitive feature ही है. External fertilization. Okay. Indirect development. इनमें development indirect होता है. Means they have the larval stages. और इनके larva का नाम है. So the larva of this our hemichordates is Tornaria larva. This is the larva of our hemichordates, Tornaria larva. Okay, so Tornaria is the larva of our hemichordates. Now you have two examples here. One is acaran worm, which is also called as tongue worm, which is known as Balanoglossus. Acaran worm is known as Balanoglossus. And there is another example, Saphoglossus. So these two examples are there. And another important thing I want to share you, some of the students when I was talking, he asked me, I think Shantanu, I think, see sir, ये जो एनिमल किंगडम है इसमें बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं, तो हम इसको कैसा याद रखें? ये मतलब उसका सभी का क्वेश्चन है जनरली। तो उससे जब बात हुई थी तो उसने बताया था कि सर इतने एग्जांपल्स को कैसे याद रखें। तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग मींस, जितने भी अपने जो एनसीईआरटी के एग्जांपल्स हैं उसका मैं एक फ्लो चार्ट बनाऊंगा खुद से। एक्चुअली आप अगर बनाते हो तो द बेस्ट है, बट अभी आप बनाना मतलब आपको थोड़ा वो लॉन्ग जाएगा। तो मैं जितने भी एनसीईआरटी के एग्जांपल्स हैं उसका एक टिप के साथ फ्लो चार्ट बनाऊंगा, राइट। सो हाउ टू रिमेम्बर, उसका एक टेक्निक के साथ एग्जांपल्स को बनाऊंगा और मैं वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके अपने ग्रुप में मैं शेयर करूंगा, क्योंकि फिर उसको अलग से क्लास लेने से टाइम वेस्ट है। तो मैं खुद वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके आपको ग्रुप में शेयर करूंगा, जैसा फंगी के एग्जांपल्स है, कितने एग्जांपल्स है, कैसे याद रखना है, ओके, या पोरिफेरेंस के एग्जांपल्स है तो कैसे याद रखना है, ओके। So by that you can remember all the animal or plant examples whatever is in NCERT, और अपने को सिर्फ NCERT एग्जांपल्स ही याद रखना है क्योंकि NCERT एग्जांपल्स ही नीट में आने वाले हैं, ओके। सेकंड थिंग, I will also send you one video related how to score 360 out of 360 in NEET biology examination with reference and with proof. In couple of days I will share you that video, okay. Right.
Sir, the hemichordates have blinds at body plan, no?
No, they do not have organ system level. They are having, so organ system level means tube within tube.
But sir, if proboscis is acting like head, then it is also having excretory organ.
Listen here, excretory, see, digestive system is complete means what? Alimentary canal is having two openings, okay. So in some animals these two openings are differentiated and very clear, mouth and anus. But in some animals only spores may be there, small pores may be there, that we have to consider as mouth and anus, okay. So only in some animals you can see clear differentiation, mouth को हम देख सकते हैं, anus को देख सकते हैं, वो कुछ organisms, but in some organisms these are in rudimentary form. Rudimentary means underdeveloped form. So in our this hemichordates, well developed mouth and well developed anus are not there, they are in rudimentary form. Rudimentary form का मतलब क्या हुआ? डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज में ही है, ओके। मतलब ये भी एक नॉन कॉर्डेट फीचर है, ओके। कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम होने के बाद भी इनमें वी कैनॉट क्लियरली सी माउथ एंड वी कैनॉट काउंट द टीथ, सो दे आर इन द डेवलपमेंटल फॉर्म और वी कैन से देम एज दैट rudimentary form, okay.
Okay, sir.
So these are some of the features of our hemichordates. Two examples which you have to remember are, one is Balanoplosus, which is called acheron worm. It is also called tongue worm. Next one is Sarcoplosus. These two examples are NCERT examples. You remember these two examples. These are the what you can say NCERT examples. So this is the story of hemichordates. Okay. So now when you see the animal kingdom, we have wide variety of animals, wide variety of features. So when you read literally, practically, so our mind will be very excited to know them. But the problem is that in every phylum, we can't go more than the depth. What is the problem? Comes to competitive level, in competitive examination, time is an important parameter, speed is an important parameter, okay. Remember always time and speed. So when a student is able to manage the time and when he is able to do with that much of speed, irrespective of the level of education, he will qualify. or he will become successful in competitive examinations. So now in competitive examination, why we can't go detailedly in all the topics? Okay, so when I explain about hemichordates, when I explain about tapeworms, so there immense interesting things are there when you go for tapeworm or any planter and any animal. But only the thing, due to the time factor and due to taking the competitive curriculum into the consideration, so we have to be point to point. Okay, that is only the reason. So hemichordates also more interesting features are there, but I am not sharing them only because of the reason that not required. Right. So these are the some of the general features of hemichordates. Then the next one is our important phylum begins chordata. So the animal kingdom, half of the animal kingdom we have completed. So in this whole animal kingdom, which animals are in majority?
Arthropods.
Very good. So arthropodons. So arthropodons are the animals which are so in entire animal kingdom, arthropodons are the animals which are more in number. Flies, insects, jointed legged animals. These are more in number when compared to that of other animals. So second largest phylum is mollusca. Okay, so molluscans are second largest in number, and our human beings are very less when compared to the population of other animals. Okay, now there were many animals which become extinct also because of human activities, because of natural calamities also. And now after some days, humans also going to be extinct from the world. So every organism which is formed, it must become extinct. It is a law of nature. So we are also at the level of extinction only. Do you feel that we are at the level of extinction? Anybody felt like that way? By seeing all the conditions which are going nowadays, किसी को ऐसा लगा कि हम भी extinct होने वाले?
Sir, can I tell a fact about starfish?
Say.
Sir, starfish has been on this earth for more than 200 billion years and have survived 5 mass extinctions.
Survived?
5 mass extinctions or calamities. If scientists have observed that there were 5 mass calamities and starfish have survived all of that.
Very good. Yeah. So many animals have survived many natural calamities.
So same with alligators also.
Alligator also. Right. Good. So this is the hemichordata. Now the next one is chordates. This hemichordates is clear to you? Hemichordates is clear to you?
Yes.
Right. Next phylum is chordata. Okay. Now every chordate will show this below given 3 features. So कोई भी chordate तो उसको ये 3 features show करना है. Okay. In some stage of life. Right. So first feature है chordate का first feature है dorsal column or tubular nerve cord. So chordates will have nerve cord on the dorsal side. Remember, chordates will have nerve cord on the dorsal side and paired pharyngeal gill slits. This is the most prominent feature. So in the pharynx regions, many gills are present, and these gills will have pores. which are we say it as gill slits. This gill, this is gill. Okay. So this is the most important prominent feature. Paired pharyngeal gill slits are present in chordates. And another important feature is chordates have notochord. नोटोकॉर्ड नहीं है तो फिर वो कॉर्डेट नहीं है. This is the most prominent feature. जितने भी कॉर्डेट्स है उनमें नोटोकॉर्ड रहना जरूरी है. फिर नोटोकॉर्ड्स में भी मॉडिफिकेशंस होते हैं, वो बात अलग है. ओके. नाउ कॉर्डेट्स जितने भी हैं ड्यूटेरोस्टोमिक है. Deuterostomic means in the course of development, anus is formed first. After the formation of the anus, mouth is formed. So that we say it as deuterostomous. We have protostomus. Mouth is formed first, and after the formation of the mouth, anus is formed. Okay. So this is largest deuterostomic phyla. लार्जेस्ट ड्यूटेरोस्टोमिक फाइला. कॉर्डेटा जो है सबसे लार्जेस्ट ड्यूटेरोस्टोमिक फाइलम है. इन कॉर्डेट्स एनिमल्स में जब वो एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में रहते हैं, जब उनका एलिमेंटरी कैनल बनता है, तो एलिमेंटरी कैनल में सबसे पहले एनस बनेगा. एनस बनने के बाद माउथ बनेगा. तो कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म में अगर एनस पहले बनता है, उसके बाद जब माउथ बनता है, तो हम उस ऑर्गेनिज्म को ड्यूटेरोस्टोमिक कहते हैं. अगर माउथ पहले बनता है, उसके बाद अगर एनस बनता है, तो हम उसको बोलते हैं प्रोटोस्टोमिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. तो अपने जितने भी कॉर्डेट्स हैं इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग, in the development, first anus is formed, and after the formation of the anus, mouth is formed. Okay, you know very well these are bilaterally symmetrical animals, diploblastic animals. Organ system level is there, coelom is there, coelomate animals. And another important feature, they possess closed circulatory system. जितने भी chordates हैं, they have closed circulatory system and post anal tail. So tail is present near the anus, which we say it as post anal tail. In the olden days, human beings also had the tail. It is believed by some scientists that humans also emerged from these gorillas and chimpanzees. So human beings also had the tail. ऐसा मानते हैं. अब था नहीं था वो तो बात अलग है.
So, sir, pharyngeal gill slits means?
See, in the gill, what is gill? Organ of respiration. Okay. In the gill, there are some small perforations. Perforations मतलब pores, you can say. That pores which are present in the gill, we say them as gill slits. These gill slits are only present in chordates. Okay. Aquatic chordates like fishes. Fishes will have gills perforated with gill slits. But when you take non-chordates, they have gills, but they do not have gill slits. Okay. Understood me? Non-chordates.
So pharyngeal means what?
Pharyngeal gill slits means pharynx region में होते हैं.
अच्छा, okay sir.
That is the reason we are saying it as pharyngeal gill slits. Cephalic brain. Cephalic brain का मतलब क्या हुआ? Cephalic head region में brain है, तो we say cephalic brain. Anal tail. Anus region में tail है, so we are saying post anal tail. Post anal tail का मतलब क्या है? Anus के बाद anus को cover करते हुए tail है. That we say it as post anal. Caudal region मतलब what is caudal region? Tail region we say it as caudal region. Okay. So these chordates, no doubt they are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical animals, coelomate animals. Okay. Again, organ system level. Okay. They have post anal tail. Post anal tail, closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system. What is the meaning of closed circulatory system? We have discussed. Did you remember anything?
Yes, sir. Means they have blood vascular. Means they have blood vessels.
Yeah.
And they have a heart through which blood is circulated.
Absolutely correct. So heart, blood and blood vessels are there. So blood flows in the blood vessels. So we say when blood is flowing in the blood vessels we say it as closed circulatory system. Now अब कोई भी कॉर्डेट एनिमल हम कैसे बोलेंगे, कोई भी कॉर्डेट एनिमल में अपने लाइफ में ये 3 फीचर्स को शो करना जरूरी है. एक फीचर है नर्व कॉर्ड रहना, नर्व कॉर्ड डॉर्सल रीजन में रहना जरूरी है. ह्यूमन बींग्स में नर्व कॉर्ड नहीं है, नर्व कॉर्ड के जगह पे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है, नर्व कॉर्ड का मॉडिफिकेशन स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है. ह्यूमन बींग्स में गिल्स नहीं है बट वी हैव फेरिंक्स. ह्यूमन बींग्स में नोटोकॉर्ड नहीं है बट वी हैव वर्टेब्रल कॉर्ड. ओके, सो ये 3 फीचर्स कोई भी कॉर्डेट एनिमल शो करना जरूरी है कि उसमें नर्व कॉर्ड होना है, गिल्स है तो उसको स्लिट्स भी होना है और नोटोकॉर्ड रहना है. पोस्ट एनल टेल मतलब एनस रीजन पे ही टेल होना, क्लोज्ड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. सो 3 फीचर्स बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. नर्व कॉर्ड, गिल स्लिट्स, नोटोकॉर्ड, दीस आर द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट फीचर्स ऑफ कॉर्डेट्स. अब रही बात क्लोज्ड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, कुछ एनिमल्स, majority of the chordate animals will show closed circulatory system only, blood flowing in the blood vessels. Okay, now let us see what are the differences between these chordates and non-chordates, where the difference comes. Just you see this, you will understand where the difference is coming. So now chordates में क्या है, नोटोकॉर्ड present, non-chordates में क्या होता है,
Notochord absent.
Notochord absent. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow and single. Okay, so dorsal side we have nerve cord and it is single in number, so we have one nerve cord only. But when you go for the non-chordates, they have double ventral nerve cord. Did you remember this?
Yes, sir. They have like ladder-like structure.
Ladder-like structure. So we are saying double ventral nerve cord. Right. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. This is a chordate feature. What is non-chordate feature?
They only have gills. They don't have slits in it.
Very good. Gill slits are absent. Heart is ventral. So if you see a chordate animal, heart is ventral. So when you see non-chordate animals, if heart is present, it is present on the dorsal side. कुछ non-chordate animals में अगर heart है तो वो हमेशा dorsal side में होगा. Post anal tail is present. Non-chordate do not have this tail. Post anal parked tail. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you cannot see an insect having a tail. You cannot see an echinodermate having a tail. So generally tail is not present in the non-chordates. So these are the prominent differences between chordates and non-chordates, prominent differences, which you have to remember. Okay. So other students, please, if you have any confusions, you raise your questions. चंचल, भूमिका, कृति, प्रियानी, संबोधि, शांतनु, तेजस, तुषार, याना, आनंद, रिमझिम यादव, कुछ क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, कोई टेंशन नहीं, कुछ मतलब सब समझ में आ रहा है ना? अब समझना क्या है सर, अब मन में ऐसा भी लग रहा होगा इसमें समझने का क्या है सर, जो है वो रटना है, बराबर ना? Okay, so these are the prominent differences between the chordates and non-chordates. So I repeat in Hindi once again, listen silently. Others, please don't interrupt. If you have the questions after the completion of my talk, I will give the time. Okay, just I want to know others whether they are following or not. So बेटा अभी सुनो. So हम नॉन कॉर्डेट्स को डिस्कस किए, नॉन कॉर्डेट्स के बाद हेमिकॉर्डेट्स को डिस्कस किए, फिर अभी हम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फाइलम में आ गए जो बहुत एडवांस्ड है, जो बहुत मॉडर्न है, कॉर्डेट्स. तो अभी क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि कौन से ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम कॉर्डेट बोल सकते हैं. तो कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म को कॉर्डेट बोलना है या कॉर्डेट समझना है तो उस ऑर्गेनिज्म में 3 फीचर्स रहना कंपलसरी है. ओके, ये 3 फीचर्स में कोई भी एक फीचर अगर मिस होता है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. तो 3 फीचर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है कि भाई कॉर्डेट क्या है. कॉर्डेट वो है जिसमें नोटोकॉर्ड है. तो नोटोकॉर्ड जो है कॉर्डेट्स का एक निशानी है, एक पहचान है. अगर नोटोकॉर्ड नहीं है तो फिर वो कॉर्डेट ही नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट नोटोकॉर्ड रहना जरूरी है। सेकंड, कॉर्डेट्स में नर्व कॉर्ड होता है जो डोर्सल रीजन पे होता है। ओके, सो बॉडी का जो हार्ट रीजन है, हमारा मुंह जो फेस जो दिखता है उसको हम बोलते हैं वेंट्रल रीजन। ओके, जहाँ पे अपना स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है, किडनीज है, उसको हम बोलते हैं डोर्सल रीजन। ओके, सो कॉर्डेट्स में जो नर्व कॉर्ड एक रॉड जैसा जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो डोर्सल साइड में होता है और एक ही होता है। फिर दूसरा पॉइंट है कि नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में अगर गिल्स है तो गिल्स पे सुराग रहना जरूरी है, जिनको हम बोलते हैं गिल स्लिट्स। ये जो है मुख्य इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स है। उसके साथ साथ हार्ट वेंट्रल पोजीशन पे रहता है कॉर्डेट्स में, तो हमारा हार्ट जो है वेंट्रल पोजीशन पे ही है, और दुम भी होता है। ओके, तो कॉर्डेट्स में दुम होता है और नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में दुम नहीं होता। ये हार्ट इज वेंट्रल, पोस्ट एनल पार्ट, पोस्ट एनल टेल, ये उतने इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स नहीं है, बस फर्स्ट के तीन जो है इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स है। इसको अगर हम नॉन कॉर्डेट से कंपेयर करते हैं तो नोटोकॉर्ड नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में है या नहीं है? याना, व्हाट इज योर आंसर? नोटोकॉर्ड्स नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में नोटोकॉर्ड है या नहीं है? याना, your network is good, no? You are able to listen me? यज्ञ?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में नोटोकॉर्ड है या नहीं है?
नहीं है।
नहीं। वेरी गुड। सो नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में नोटोकॉर्ड नहीं है। सो लाइक दैट वे ओनली एवरीथिंग विल बी अपोजिट। नर्व नर्व कॉर्ड है मगर वेंट्रल साइड में है और वो डबल है। गिल्स है मगर गिल स्लिट्स नहीं है। हार्ट जो है अगर है तो डोर्सल साइड में, पोस्ट एनल टेल तो होता ही नहीं है नॉन कॉर्डेट्स। ओके, नाउ और एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट क्या है, नॉन कॉर्डेट जितने भी है वो ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक हैं, सीलोमेट्स हैं, उनमें सीलोम होता है, आर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। ओके, आर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और क्लोज्ड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है। ये कॉर्डेट्स की एक स्पेशलिटी है, एक महानता है। और कॉर्डेट्स नॉन कॉर्डेट से कंपेयर करें तो डेवलप्ड एनिमल्स है। जैसे हम कॉर्डेट्स को देखेंगे, हम इस कॉर्डेट में ही है। ओके, हम हाईली डेवलप्ड एनिमल्स है, मैमल्स, क्योंकि सबसे लास्ट बने मैमल्स, सबसे फर्स्ट बने अकॉर्डिंग टू एनिमल क्लासिफिकेशन पोरिफेरेंस। ओके, सो अब ये जो फाइलम कॉर्डेटा है, ओके, इन एनिमल किंगडम इट इज अ फाइलम। इन एनिमल किंगडम वी हैव थ्री मेजर फाइलम्स, नॉन कॉर्डेटा, हेमिकॉर्डेटा, कॉर्डेटा। अब ये कॉर्डेटा फाइलम में थ्री सब फाइलम्स हैं। What are the three subphylums? Let us discuss now. यहां तक आपके पॉइंट्स क्लियर है? अभी किसी को कुछ है डाउट तो नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी।
Sir, is it possible that phylum Chordata has evolved from phylum non-chordate?
It is it, you are asking is it possible? Actually, it is only the truth that chordates evolved from non-chordates. Okay, this is only evolution. So multicellular organisms came from unicellular organisms. So chordates, we can say that how the chordates came. Chordates evolved from non-chordates.
So that also means that kingdom animal has evolved from kingdom Monera.
Definitely, from monerans only animal kingdom emerged. Okay. So initially when the life was formed, it is single cell. Single cell means monera. मोनरन से ही इतना पूरा प्रोसेस हुआ है, इसको ही हम बोलते हैं एवोल्यूशन। अब एवोल्यूशन होने के लिए सब मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स लगते हैं, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स लगते हैं, तो एक दो साल में एवोल्यूशन नहीं होता। तो ऐसा भी हो सकता कि ह्यूमन बीइंग से इवॉल्व होके और दूसरे कुछ बन सकते हैं। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? अभी हम ह्यूमन बीइंग से हम अपना भी एवोल्यूशन होके कुछ आगे और कुछ बन सकते हैं।
Yes, sir, because before Homo sapiens also there were many species of human beings.
हाँ, many species, Homo erectus, Homo habilis, many species of humans were
Yes,
there.
sir.
Lastly we formed. अब आपने Homo sapiens जाके फिर कुछ भी बन सकता, मतलब उसके लिए बहुत टाइम लगेगा।
हाँ, sir.
Now next is our classification of chordata. So when you take the classification of the chordata, okay. Now this chordata is classified into 3 subphylums. Okay. One subphylum is Urochordata. Okay. Another subphylum is Cephalochordata. And again subphylum is Vertebrata. These are the 3 subphylums of our chordates. One is Urochordata, another one is Cephalochordata, and another one is Vertebrata. Okay. Now, when you take these urochordate animals are the animals which have the notochord only in their larval stage. Point is clear? Urochordates are the animals which have the notochord only in the larval stage. When the larva becomes adult do not show the notochord. ये एक इनकी प्रोमिनेंट फीचर है. ओके. तो यूरोकॉर्डेट्स क्या है? यूरोकॉर्डेट्स में notochord is present in a tail region of larva. But again, notochord is absent in adults. अडल्ट एनिमल में नोटोकॉर्ड देखने को नहीं मिलता है, बट अपने जो लार्वा होता है उसके टेल रीजन में नोटोकॉर्ड होता है. तो टेल रीजन में नोटोकॉर्ड होने के वजह से इसे कहा गया यूरो का ग्रीक का मतलब है टेल. ओके. सो व्हाट इज यूरोकॉर्डेटा? यूरोकॉर्डेट्स आर द कॉर्डेट्स which have the notochord only in the tail region, that too in larva, but this notochord is not present in adult. Now when you go for cephalochordates have the notochord which is extending from head to tail. So these are the true chordate animals. When you take vertebrata, there is no notochord. Instead of notochord, there is a vertebral column. So in vertebrate animals, notochord is modified to form vertebral column. So vertebral column जिसमें होता है उस chordate को हम specially बोलते हैं vertebrate. Okay. So these are the 3 classifications of the chordata. One is Urochordata, another one is Cephalochordata, and another one is Vertebrata. Okay. Now again, when you go for sub classification or detailed classification of this phylum, this Urochordates, Cephalochordates, and Vertebrates. These Urochordates and Cephalochordates, they are called as protochordates. What they are called? ये मार्कर का प्रॉब्लम. So this protochordata and cephalochordata, they are called as, sorry, not protochordata, it is urochordata. Okay, these two together called as protochordates. Remember. Okay, these two together called as what? Protochordates. And these all protochordates all are marine animals. Okay, so ये जो कॉर्डेटा है उसमें 3 फाइलम्स है. एक है यूरोकॉर्डेटा, दूसरा है सिफालोकॉर्डेटा, तीसरा है वर्टिब्रेटा. Urochordates are the chordates which have the notochord in the larva in the tail. Cephalochordates have the notochord from head to tail. Vertebrata do not have the notochord. In these animals, notochord is modified to form vertebral column. Okay. Urochordates and cephalochordates, they are called as protochordates because they are first formed chordates. यूरो सिफालो, उसके बाद वर्टिब्रेट. जितने भी प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स हैं दे आर मराइन. जितने भी प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स हैं ऑल आर मराइन एनिमल्स. ओके, ये एक वन टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन है अबाउट द कॉर्डेटा. अगेन वी हैव सेकंड कैटेगरी क्लासिफिकेशन. आई विल शो यू दैट आल्सो. Now, based upon the presence and absence of cranium, okay, based upon the presence and absence of cranium, classification was done. Cranium, you know very well. You have any idea what
Yes.
is cranium?
Subcranium is brain
Skull.
region.
Skull.
Cranium is
Skull.
yeah. So brain is protected in a box-like, bony box-like structure. We say it as what cranium. So हकीकत में कॉर्डेटा जो है उसमें तीन ही सब फाइलम्स है. एक है यूरोकॉर्डेटा, दूसरा है सिफालोकॉर्डेटा और तीसरा है वर्टिब्रेटा. ओके. नाउ और एक सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन है जो क्रेनियम के आधार पे है. तो जो भी कॉर्डेट एनिमल्स हैं बेस्ड ऑन द प्रेजेंस एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ क्रेनियम, they are divided like this way. Chordata, okay. So now based on presence and absence of cranium, अगर cranium नहीं है, that chordate animal is known as acraniata. What is acraniata? Acraniata is nothing but cranium is absent. Okay, in acraniata animal, cranium is not present. Cranium is absent. Brain is there, but cranium is absent. Next one is craniata. What is craniata? Craniata is nothing but the animals which have the cranium. Acraniata are lower chordates which are also called as protochordates. These craniata animals are considered as higher chordates. Okay. Now in these protochordates, again we have two classes. One is urochordata. Another one is cephalochordata. We have urochordata and we have cephalochordata. And in these higher chordates, we discuss about vertebrata. Right? Now, when we read about our animals, first we have to read about urochordates, then we have to read about cephalochordates, then we have to go to vertebrates. Okay, so this is the NCERT classification. Right? So this you have to remember. Okay. So in the next session, we will go for urochordates. Very simple things are there. Then cephalochordates, then vertebrates. So in couple of days, animal kingdom will be completed. Okay. So in animal kingdom only, you have to do little bit of ब्रेन एक्सर, मतलब इसमें थोड़ा दिमाग खराब होता है एग्जाम्पल्स को याद रखने में. फिर उसके बाद फिर मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ प्लांट्स में एग्जाम्पल्स को याद रखना होता है. ओके, कुछ लेसन्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें बहुत एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जिनको आपको याद रखना होता है. ओके, सो This is for today. So tomorrow, if you need any revision, you say me. Sir, these topics we want revision. I hope all topics are easy only, and in that, according to my estimation, there is nothing doubt. Why? Because everything you have to mug up only. Okay, still if any student have missed the classes due to late admission or due to network issues or whatever the issues. So if you need any topic to revise, I will revise. Otherwise, I can continue with you recorded. What you say that I will do. Anyhow, previous week also the syllabus was the same. Okay, anything to ask? Any confusion, anything to ask related to exam or related to anything? Any confusion, any doubt? Kruti, once you unmute, beta, एक बार unmute करो.
Yes, sir.
Today's class, you understood anything?
Yes, sir.
So can you say one difference between chordate and non-chordate?
Sir, the presence and absence of notochord.
Okay, so presence and absence of notochord. Which animals are called half chordates?
Hemichordates.
Very good. Hemichordates are called as what? Half chordates. Very good. Chanchal, you are able to hear my voice? Chanchal Biswas, you are able to hear me? Darshana? Akash, you are able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Akash, today is your first class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, did you understood anything today's class?
I joined now only.
Acha, you joined now only? Okay, no problem. Okay then. So, tomorrow, if you want me to revise, I will revise. Otherwise, I will continue with this. You record data, all that things. Okay. Today, you text me. And soon I will
Yes.
make the videos related to the animal kingdom, plant kingdom animal kingdom examples, and I will post in the group. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Take care all. Enjoy your day. Eat well. Sleep well.